The product of two positive consecutive even integers is 728. Determine the two integers. Below we have a list of positive consecutive even integers. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Notice how if we start at any positive even integer, to determine the next consecutive even integer, we add 2. So for our problem, let's let the variable x equal a positive even integer. And now we can let the expression x plus 2 equal the next consecutive even integer. From here, because we know the product of the two positive consecutive even integers is 728, to determine the two integers, we need to solve the equation x times the quantity x plus 2 equals 728. To solve the equation, we first simplify the left side of the equation by clearing the parentheses. To do this, we distribute x. X times x is x squared, plus x times 2 is 2x, and this is equal to 728. Notice how we have a quadratic equation. Let's try to solve the equation by factoring. So for the next step, let's set the right side of the equation equal to 0. To do this, we subtract 728 on both sides of the equation. Simplifying on the left, we have x squared plus 2x minus 728 equals, on the right side, the difference is 0. If the left side of the equation does factor, it will factor into two binomial factors, where because the first term is x squared, and x squared is equal to x times x, the first term in each binomial factor is x. To determine the constant terms in the binomial factors, we need to determine the factors of negative 728 that add to positive 2. To help us do this, let's first determine the prime factorization of positive 728. 728 is even. 728 is equal to 2 times 364. 2 is prime. 364 is still even. 364 is equal to 2 times 182. 2 is prime. Again, 182 is even. 182 is equal to 2 times 91. 2 is prime. And 91 is equal to 7 times 13. Now we know the prime factorization of 728 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 13. Now going back to our problem, we are trying to determine the factors of negative 728 that add to positive 2. So looking at the prime factorization of 728, notice that 2 times 13 is equal to 26, and 2 times 2 times 7 is equal to 28. Now that we know that 26 times 28 is equal to positive 728, we can now determine the factors of negative 728 that add to positive 2. Negative 26 times positive 28 is equal to negative 728, and negative 26 plus positive 28 is equal to positive 2. These are the two factors we need in order to factor the trinomial on the left side of the equation. One binomial factor is x minus 26. The other binomial factor is x plus 28. This product is equal to 0 when x minus 26 equals 0, or when x plus 28 equals 0. Solving for x here, we add 26 to both sides of the equation, giving us x equals 26. Solving this equation for x, we subtract 28 on both sides, giving us x equals negative 28. So these are the two algebraic solutions to the given equation, but because we know we are looking for two positive consecutive even integers, we can exclude the negative value of x equals negative 28. So now we know that x equals 26 is the first positive even integer, and x plus 2 is the next consecutive even integer, which is 26 plus 2, which equals 28. Let's write the answer as a complete sentence. the two positive consecutive even integers that have a product of 728 are 26 and 28. I hope you found this helpful.